Hey, how you doing? This is Dave again, David Nash, and I'm the author of Handguns for Self-Defense. It's a guide for choosing and using your own weapon. I'm sitting here in my office where the magic happens, little computer screens and whatnot. And this book's coming out in October. It's going to be October in a couple of days. So I just wanted to introduce you to this book. This is really a revised issue of my first Understanding the Use of Handguns for Self-Defense book. However, I took a lot more time, I guess, over the years. I learned a little bit more about publishing, and this is updated, revised. It's really a whole new book, and it's a lot better, I think, than the original. Still has a lot of good color pictures. Good forward by Brandon Bateman. All the how-tos, whatnot. I originally wrote this book as a manual for new shooters, people who were coming to my handgun carry permit class or my armed security guard class. But it is a standalone guide. This isn't actually a textbook. It is a standalone guide that you can use to be a better shooter, or maybe if you maybe a little bit afraid of guns and you feel the need to get some self-protection and you want to know a little bit. Maybe you want to read before you go to a class so you could sort of tell the difference between a good instructor and someone who's just selling you a seat. So it's a must-have guide, I think. It's a good basic primer. So if you want it, it's coming out. You can catch it on Amazon. I'll put some link below. Thank you.